Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel, and welcome to a brand new recipe. This week's recipe is not just completely and utterly delicious, but it's also healthy, low carb, and yes, it does contain a hidden vegetable. Sweet courgette loaves have become somewhat popular these past few years, and to make it slightly more enticing, I've added cacao powder and dark chocolate chunks for a truly chocolatey hit. This recipe is super easy to make, perfect for the whole family, and trust me, nobody will know there is a hidden vegetable lurking in there. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe.
Grab yourself a large mixing bowl and add 160 grams of almond flour, 28 grams of cacao powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 pinches of salt. Mix everything together and set aside. In a separate bowl, crack 1 large organic egg and whisk until beaten. Once done, add 60 grams of dairy-free yogurt, I've used coconut here, 3 tablespoons of raw honey and 45 grams of extra virgin olive oil, and mix everything together. You'll then need to add 120 grams of grated courgette, 35 grams of coconut flakes and 80 grams of dark chocolate chunks to the egg mixture and mix well, although try not to overmix here. Slowly pour your wet mixture into the dry and stir until everything is combined. The final mix should look something like this. Finally, scoop your chocolate mixture into a lined bread baking tin and make sure everything is nice and even. Top with any extra chocolate chunks and then place in the middle of the oven to bake for 35 minutes or until a knife comes out nice and clean. And voila! Once the bread is cooled, you can slice it up and dig in. If you love this recipe, then make sure you also check out our chocolate chip coconut cookies. They are one of my favourite things ever. And as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please do subscribe to our channel for weekly videos. Enjoy!